Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Choices are A. Predatory, B. Obscure, C. Diverse, and D. Localized. Some scientists have suggested that mammals in the Mesozoic era were not a very blank group, but paleontologist Zhi Luo's research suggests that early mammals living in the shadow of dinosaurs weren't all ground-dwelling insectivores. Fossils of various plant-eating mammals have been found in China, including species like Velodon diplomus, which Luo says could glide like a flying squirrel. So, choice A says predatory. This is incorrect because the context of this doesn't fit with the choice predatory, because it says here that all early mammals living shadow dinosaurs weren't all ground-dwelling insectivores. So instead it shows a contrast that these animals in these Mesozoic era weren't all just insectivores. So A is incorrect. B. Obscure. Obscure would imply that scientists don't know very well what the early animals in the early Mesozoic era were like, but this is incorrect because clearly they do know many things. C. Diverse. This seems to be correct because in the context it makes sense where it says that the early mammals living in the shadow dinosaurs weren't all ground-dwelling insectivores. The second sentence goes on to discuss a specific species that was very unique, showing how these animals weren't just like one type. So C seems to be the correct answer. D. Localized. Localized doesn't make sense here because it would imply that the animals living in the Mesozoic era were a localized group, or that they lived in one area, but clearly the text doesn't show this. So C is the correct answer.